Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Sibusiso Makiwani, and today I want to share something personal. This year changed me as a developer, and I leveled up and built more than I expected and felt more than I planned, and I built my own real AI. So let's talk about the journey first of how I became a software developer during this year. So, when the year started, I had one mission. My mission was to become a developer, and I always saw it in my dreams, not perfect, not the smartest, but someone who keeps learning and keeps building. What I learned this year is discipline beats motivation. There were days where I didn't feel like coding at all, but discipline kept me going. There was small progress every day, becomes impossible to ignore growth, and you're always one project away from leveling up. So every new problem and every bug, every project, it forces you to get better. And this year I pushed myself into new areas, which is full stack development and AI integrations and cloud deployments and voice powered apps, real time debugging tools. So I realized the knowledge compounds, and once you learn one thing well, it unlocks 10 more. The struggles that made me stronger is that I'm not going to lie. This year humbled me, but I broke apps, I broke servers, I broke my own confidence multiple times. The code didn't run, and deployments failed, the APIs refused to work, but security issues hit. There were sleepless nights debugging, but here's what changed my mindset. Every error is a lesson, and every problem is training. The breakthrough, I built my own AI, as you can see here, and it is not ChatGPT. It's not a pre-made tool. It is my own AI assistant built from scratch, powered by LLMs and a custom logic. So what I'm going to show you step by step how I created an AI voice agent. I'm going to test out this app, and I'm going to call this agent live. So I'm going to call it. Let's refresh our page. Why is it not showing now? Okay, let's just type it out. Event Labs, and we go here. It's our free voice AI tool. So here I can sign up and I can show you my agent that can talk with me. I don't know why it gives me an error. Okay, log in. It gives me a blank page. Wow. Okay, never mind. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click in the app, and we're going to test out the app if it's a really debugging app. And as you can see, I'm being greeted by an authentication here, which the user can create its user details, personal details, and login. Now I'm Sibu. I can log in. By the
Hi,
way,
how can I help you with debugging today?
this thing comes from an agent, LLMs, and let's test our code. So as you can see in my code, I have an error. Let's pretend that I don't know nothing in this code. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste my code here, and I'm going to paste my error here. And I'm going to initiate the debug sequence. By the way, I'm using an API key coming from ChatGPT.
Analyzing your code structure and error logs.
Nice. Now we are greeted by the AI, and the AI is going to read the solution.
####1. Root cause analysis. The error message indicates that the variable number 900 cannot be found in the current scope. This suggests that the variable has not been declared or initialized before it is being referenced in the system.out.println statement. ####2. Specific line, S, causing the issue. The problematic line is Java. System.out.println, number 900. This line attempts to print the value of number 900, which has not been declared anywhere in the code. Hashtag 3. A clear fix with code example. To fix the issue, you need to either declare and initialize number 900 before using it or change the print statement to reference an existing variable. If the intention was to print the value of number, the line should be modified as follows. Java. Public class main. Public static void main, string args. System.out.println, hello debugger app. / correcting the type mismatch. Int number equals 5, / assigning an integer value instead of a string. / commenting out the missing class instantiation. / missing class obj equals new missing class. / this line is commented out. / fixing the reference to the existing variable number. System.out.println, number, / changed from number 900 to number. Hashtag 4. Prevention tips.
So I can open
variable declaration. Always ensure that a variable is declared and initialized before using it. Use descriptive names for variables to avoid confusion. Compiler warnings. Pay attention to compiler warnings and errors. They often provide hints about undeclared variables or other issues. Code reviews. Conduct regular code reviews to catch such issues early in the development process. How can I help you with debugging today?
Producing failure-inducing inputs, statistical debugging, bug databases, and automated software repair. The book is all on the web, such that you can read it at your leisure. But it also comes with plenty of Python code and Jupyter notebooks, which you can experiment with right within your browser. And you can even use the code within your own projects, building your own debugging tools. Now go to debuggingbook.org and read the first chapters. Enjoy!
So now I have the tutorial books, everything is working fine, and I can even go to another books. As you can hear, there's a gaming sound here. I have the debug for all the programmers that want to master debugging when they explain their code to employers and when they present their code to the company maybe. And this is how everything is working. I thank you for viewing my YouTube channel.
Hi.
This is my
How can I help you with debugging today?
the debugging AI.